This is day 1 of getting comfortable in speaking in front of the camera. Di ko alam kung ilang beses na, ilang times na ako nag day 1, but it's okay as long as we keep trying naman, di ba? So this year kasi I really want to get serious kasi I've been creating content since early TikTok days. Actually, before that pa nga, kasi nga yung pinaka-old account ko was Facebook. Parang mga 2015 or 2016, ganyan. Whenever I post, parang uso pa nga yung text post that time on Facebook. And whenever I post, ang dami-dami kong likes and comments kasi I joined mga engagement groups, FB groups, na talagang super active nilang mag-flood likes. Tapos nagko-comment talaga, nag-engage sa posts mo. And whenever I post, like after 1 minute, nasa 50 likes na siya. Tapos nung paglabas ng TikTok, I started posting mga lip sync, mga skits. Kasi yun yung uso that time. Talagang nakasabay ako sa uso. And hindi ako naging consistent. I kept wondering until now kung ano na yung naabot ko sana if I didn't stop posting or I kept improving my videos. Kasi when it comes to posting, I only post kapag merong idea, may nahanap akong inspiration, or whenever I experience something hurtful, especially sa love life, doon ako nakaka-post ng marami kasi nga wala akong ibang channel or wala akong ibang place to express my feelings but sa social media, ganun. So, ayun siya yung naging starting ko. And then, yung naging VA, I wanted to share my journey actually, pero hindi ko siya nagawa. Like, hindi ko nag-document yung journey ko, like on how I started. And same thing, like kapag meron akong win or meron akong gustong i-celebrate or meron akong di magandang experience, doon ako nakakapag-share. Naging habit ko na siya, like whenever I want to share something, whether it's good or bad, saka ako nakakapag-post. Like wala akong strategy and all. Kaya walang nagiging, visible na results sa mga platforms ko. And this year, I started taking content seriously, and aside from posting daily, I also think about kung ano yung ipopost ko, like the reasoning behind it. Kasi I've been, studying, learning about social media management and being a content creator. Sa lahat ng nakikita ko, they always say na you have to share valuable content sa audience mo. Yun yung parang story ko on how I started creating content. Even if ilang years na akong napopost on and off, hindi ko pa rin matawag yung sarili ko na content creator because I feel like yung basehan ko para matawag ko na yung sarili ko na content creator is kapag meron na akong solid community na na-build. And right now, yung goal ko is to really build a community for moms na gustong makapag-build ng income nila online, whether it's through virtual assistants, freelancing, content creation, affiliate marketing, kasi yun yung mga interested ako. And even though hindi pa rin talaga ako expert when it comes to providing services as a virtual assistant, pero nakapag-build naman na talaga ako ng consistent income through that. Kaya naman ngayon, I want to start building another source of income through content creation. So, yun yung mga gusto kong i-share today, and I hope na sabayan nyo ako dito sa journey ko. If you're also starting out, if you're building income through content, let's follow each other, let's be mutuals, let's support each other in this journey. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time.